Today I will show you how to replace the cartridge for under sink ProSelect water filter. The model I have here is PSWFUCRC100. Let's start. Under the sink, first make sure you turn off the water supply and then keep a container for any residual water. Then turn this anti-clockwise. Be gentle. Pull it down. Now let's open the brand new one. Remove the cap. So here's the thing. You see these top two things? That needs to align right here. Then you have to turn clockwise. So you have to bend a little bit. Make sure these two holes align it here. Then only you'll be able to push it. So it is little tricky, but it's not that tough. Okay, there you go. I did it. Now turn clockwise. There you go. You're done.